In the United States, insurance is often the only thing standing between financial stability and total ruin. But why is it so deeply embedded in American life? The US economy is a high-risk, high-reward environment where a single accident or illness can cost more than a lifetime of savings. At its heart, insurance is a system of risk management. Today, we'll explore the primary types of insurance that every American must navigate. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on American finance and personal security. Let's start with the most critical and often most expensive category: health insurance. The US healthcare system is world-class, but it comes at a staggering price for those without proper coverage. A single emergency room visit can cost thousands, and a major surgery can easily exceed $100,000. In fact, medical debt remains the leading cause of personal bankruptcy in America. Insurance is your primary shield against this. Beyond emergencies, insurance facilitates preventative care, regular checkups that catch life-threatening conditions early. It also provides access to a network of specialists and advanced treatments that are otherwise out of reach for the average person. Then there's the cost of prescriptions. In the US, many life-saving drugs are priced far beyond what an individual can pay out of pocket. Insurance companies negotiate lower prices and cover the majority of these costs, making long-term health management possible. Next, let's look at a form of insurance that is actually a legal requirement for most: auto insurance. In the United States, driving is a necessity for many, and with it comes the constant risk of accidents. Almost every state mandates a minimum level of liability insurance to protect other drivers and pedestrians. Liability insurance doesn't just protect others, it protects you from being sued for everything you own after a mistake on the road. Legal fees and medical payouts from a major accident can run into the millions, a burden no individual can bear alone. Crucially, many policies also protect you from uninsured or underinsured drivers who may not have the means to pay for your damages. Your home is likely your most significant financial investment. Protecting it is not just wise, it's often required by lenders. Homeowners insurance provides a safety net against natural disasters like fires, storms, and in some areas, earthquakes. Because lenders use your home as collateral, they require insurance to ensure their investment remains secure. It also covers what's inside: your electronics, furniture, and family heirlooms, even if they are stolen or damaged outside the home. For those who don't own, renter's insurance offers similar protections for personal property and liability at a fraction of the cost. Home liability coverage is equally vital, protecting you if a guest is injured on your property and brings a lawsuit against you. Now, we must consider the protection of those we leave behind. Life insurance is about legacy and survival for your family. Life insurance replaces your income, ensuring that your spouse and children can maintain their standard of living after you're gone. It can pay off the mortgage, clear debts, and even provide the funds for your children's future college education. Beyond the numbers, it offers the ultimate peace of mind, knowing that your family's financial future is secure regardless of what happens. It is also a key tool for estate planning, helping to manage taxes and ensuring an orderly transfer of assets to the next generation. Even a basic policy can cover final expenses, sparing your loved ones from additional stress during an already difficult time. For the millions of entrepreneurs in America, business insurance is the only way to safeguard a life's work. Starting a business is risky enough. Doing so without insurance is essentially gambling with your future. General liability insurance protects against common accidents, like a customer tripping in your store, which could lead to a massive lawsuit. If you have employees, workers' compensation is not just a good idea. In almost every state, it's a strict legal mandate. It ensures that if an employee is injured on the job, their medical bills are paid and your business is protected from a direct lawsuit. Professional liability insurance covers errors or negligence in the services you provide, which is essential for consultants and specialists. But what happens if a disaster forces you to close temporarily? Business interruption insurance helps cover lost income and ongoing bills. This coverage can be the difference between reopening after a crisis or going out of business permanently. In our modern world, cyber insurance is now a necessity to protect against data breaches that can ruin a company's reputation. What if you can't work at all? Disability insurance is the most overlooked but vital form of protection for your paycheck. 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled before they retire. Insurance ensures your bills are still paid. As we age, long-term care insurance becomes essential to cover the high costs of nursing homes or in-home assistance. These costs are not typically covered by standard health insurance or Medicare, making specialized plans a necessity for seniors. We must also consider the American legal landscape. The United States is one of the most litigious countries in the world. Lawsuits are common, and the costs of defending even a frivolous claim can run into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Insurance companies often provide the legal defense team and cover the attorney fees, which is a massive hidden benefit of coverage. For those with significant assets, an umbrella policy provides an extra layer of liability protection above your other policies. It's a cost-effective way to ensure that a massive, unexpected claim doesn't wipe out everything you've worked for. In a country where wealth can be fragile, these extra layers of protection are essential for long-term financial survival. Understanding how insurance works, premiums, deductibles, and copays is also crucial for every American consumer. A higher premium usually means lower out-of-pocket costs when something goes wrong, while a high deductible can lower your monthly bill. Choosing the right balance depends on your personal financial situation and your tolerance for unexpected risk. The government also plays a role through programs like Medicare for the elderly and Medicaid for low-income individuals. These programs provide a vital social safety net, though they are often supplemented by private insurance for full coverage. Navigating the mix of public and private options is a hallmark of American financial planning. So, as we've seen, insurance in the US covers every aspect of our lives, from our health to our homes and businesses. While some are mandated by law, all are designed to protect you from catastrophic financial loss. By transferring the risk of disaster to a larger pool, Americans can live and work with greater confidence and security. Ultimately, insurance is about more than just money. It's about the freedom to build a life without the fear of losing it all. If you found this guide helpful, please support us by liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more. Insurance is your safety net. Make sure you're covered. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.